This video explains how to buy shares of the beauty health company, ticker SKIN, listed on NASDAQ. We will show a practical step-by-step example. This is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and for this guide, we use eToro as an example. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before placing any order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SKIN to locate the beauty health company. Confirm you have selected the correct listing on NASDAQ before proceeding. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart, so review those details. Double-check the company name and ticker to ensure this is the correct asset. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, and review the order summary carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may convert to a pending instruction, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the trade, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can track it. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to follow the same steps shown here.